This is Best from Best Review Warners. Hello and welcome to my Hypnotic review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new software called Hypnotic. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification, and like this video. But before I do this, let me share with you some of my review bonuses. The bonuses you will get for buying Hypnotic through this page are how to create a WordPress website, the milk method, lead generation on demand, the secret weapon, instant content generator, urgency suite pro, reactor, social media boom, how to market on social media and gain followers, traffic machine, and several other bonuses here, including all the bonuses the vendor has asked me to give you. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I will reveal to you why I am giving you these bonuses. So what is this new software all about? Hypnotic is a cloud-based software that leverages the referral and sharing system to generate a huge snowball of free and viral traffic using simple reward system. You simply ask your prospects to take specific actions such as submit their email address, refer a given number of their friends, share your content on social media for instance. In exchange, they will get a gift, a prize, or a giveaway. With Hypnotic, you get to build your email list. Now, since it's a cloud-based software, there's nothing to install. In addition, the software works on all devices and you are not constrained by location. It is completely newbie friendly, very easy to use with detailed step-by-step training within the members area. It comes with a 30 days money-back guarantee. That is, if for any reason you do not like the software, you can ask for a refund. But I tell you, you will find no reason why you will not like this software, especially if you take actions. So now, let us head over to the members area. Now, this is the members area of Hypnotic. Here you find your dashboard, which shows you the total leads and the total prices you have created, total open campaigns, total closed campaigns. It gives you a rundown of your leads per week and your clicks per week. So over here is where you see your leads. Already some actions have been taken on this, so that's why you are seeing this. It shows the prices created, your running campaigns, and this is where you have your training. This is where you have all the training you need to put Hypnotic to use. This is your settings, where you set up, really there isn't much to set up, just your username, which I have done here already. Then you have the logout. So let me walk you through how we will be using this software to generate traffic on demand. Although, as I said earlier, you will find a detailed step-by-step training inside this training area. Now let us do a walkthrough of how this software works. To use this software, you first head over to set up your price. For instance, for the purpose of this training, I intend to give this ebook to anyone who give me their first name, email address, and share my Hypnotic review bonus page with at least 2 of their friends. So once that is achieved, they will be able to gain access to the ebook. Now let me show you how this can be achieved using the Hypnotic referral system. So the first thing first, I will set up the price. And for me to do that, I'll simply click on my price, add price. Here, the price title, I will say power of social media. On the price description, learn how to get free and viral traffic on social media. Now for the price link, paste my link here. And for the image, I have already gotten the image I will use, which is this. And once I conclude that, I'll save changes. Now my price has been successfully added. So I will head over to campaign. I will add campaign. What's my campaign title? I will choose this for my consumption, so I will Hypnotic email list. Then here I can decide the number of that my prospects will have to bring. 2. Now here is the campaign start date. You can choose start date and then the end date. Now sharing page information. So here I will select Hypnotic. I would fill in Hypnotic review. Now sign up title page. Again, now sign up page description. Here I will say share to at least 2 of your friends to get the prize. Then for the referral, then for the sign up link, I'll head over to my paste the web address of my Hypnotic review bonus page. Then sign up page image. Select now for the purpose of our review, I'll select the same image as when I was setting up the price. Now, here is where we select the price. So, this is the price, the power of social media marketing. Now that is done, and we save changes. Now our campaign has been successfully added. Now this is our campaign here. So all we need to do is copy and share this link. So you can share this link on social media and on various other platforms, such that once your prospects click on it, this is what will come up. Now it says refer 2 people to earn the power of social media marketing prize. Now it gives you the prize title and then sharing page information. That is the page that your prospects are supposed to share. Now for them to join the campaign, they will have to submit a name best and then an email address. Now they join the campaign. Now they will be presented with a referral link that your prospect in turn can share. So once your prospect shares this link, then their friend will have to sign up. And once they submit their name and email address, and boom, this is the page that they will have to share. So after sharing your link on various platforms, this is where you come and see your results. Now this is where you see your results. Now this is where you see your results. So for us, we have not reached the referral status. Once our lead gets to the referral status, a button here will appear where you can easily send the prize to your prospect. Then this is where you have your leads. And if you look, this is the email we supplied at the point of signing up for the campaign. So once your prospects sign up for the campaigns, they become leads. And you can easily download your CSV file. Now this is your CSV file showing all the leads, which you can easily upload to your autoresponder and begin to mail them. Now this brings me to one challenge I have with the Hypnotic system. It is not designed for integration with any autoresponder. If it came with the option of integrating with an autoresponder, it would have been a lot better, such that if you have an autoresponder, you can use it. If you don't have an autoresponder, you can also use it while you integrate it with an autoresponder. And at the same time, you can use it even if it's not integrated with an autoresponder. So having said that, however, this product is a very good one in the sense that it operates a referral system whereby it generates a huge snowball of free and viral traffic. Or you will only need to ensure that you use good lead magnets, and you will need to know where to place your link so that you can get free and viral traffic. You can also use a smart link, which actually is a WordPress plugin. I'll leave a link to the review video above that will enable you post this link wherever you want and get even more traffic. So if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our bonus page that will look exactly like this. And once you scroll down, You click on this button and it will take you to the Hypnotic sales page that will look exactly like this. Once you scroll down on the sales page and click on this button, then you will have access to buy the Hypnotic software. With this software, you can generate traffic in as little as 2 minutes or less. With no experience, you don't need paid traffic or any technical skills. Yes, from our walkthrough, you really do not need any experience. You do not need paid traffic or technical skills to generate leads. However, it is unlikely that you do it in 2 minutes, but you will need some experience to place your link where you will get good and quality traffic. For that reason, I gave you the bonuses such as the milk method, the lead generation on demand, the secret weapon, instant content generator, urgency suite pro. These are all bonuses that will help you generate traffic, generate content that will enable you drive traffic. We also have the social media boom, how to market on social media and gain followers. These are all bonuses that will help you get free and viral traffic. So, on the sales page, you will find testimonials where it tells you you do not need to make review videos, you do not need to pay for traffic, you do not need to produce content. True, but if you can make review videos and produce content, you can be sure to increase your traffic and lead conversion. So these are the product creators, Dan Hashadov and Al Chisman. So if you think this product is for you, click on the link in the description below and head to our bonus page. You scroll down, click on this button, which will take you to the sales page. Click on this button and buy the Hypnotic software. Let me also show you the bonuses that the vendor will be giving if you pick this software. So if you buy this software from the vendor, you will be getting a live training valued at $497. Inside, the vendor will show you 6-figure affiliate marketing business from a super affiliate. We also show you commission fire, instantly propel yourself into the big leagues. See boatloads of cash flowing into your bank account. You also get the easy list hack, that is, you realize the money making power of email marketing, because this product is about generating email lists. And when you get that list, what do you do with it? You will need to email them. As the saying goes, the money is in the list. Then you also get the Facebook ads domination. This is where you learn how to tap into the billion-dollar industry and grow your business like there is no tomorrow. Then you get the clean squeeze software, easy to use software that will declutter your squeeze page to convert better. So these are all the bonuses you will get from the vendor if you pick up this Hypnotic, and you will need to do that during the product launch to be able to get these bonuses. So like I said earlier, the vendor gives you a 30 days no questions asked money back guarantee. So you are 100% risk free to try out this software. I tell you, the value you get from this software will far outweigh the money you are spending on it. So you can take the time and go through this sales page for even more information that can help you and your business. Now let us head over to the sales funnel. The front end of Hypnotic will be going for an early bird price of $17, and it will have a downsale of $14. So if you access the page, you will see the price, it will come to you at $17. But when you attempt to leave the page, it will flag that you have a discount, so you can pick it at that discount of $14. Now, what do you get in the front end? You get essentially everything I have showed you. However, there are limitations to how many campaigns you can run. So that takes us to the OTO1. The OTO1, which is the Hypnotic Unlimited, is going for $47 with a downsale of $37. So instead of picking it up for $47, you can actually pick it up for $37. Here you get unlimited access with no limit to potential traffic generation. Now the OTO2, which is the Hypnotic done for you, is going for $97 with a downsale of $67. Here you use all of the vendor's material. Then the OTO3, which is the Hypnotic traffic, is going for $97 with a downsale of $77. Here you plug your pixel into the vendor's sales page for the next 12 months to retarget visitors. And I tell you, this is a good one, given that this vendor in the last couple of months has released several products that have done very well. You can imagine the volume of visitors that you can retarget on their sales page, and having to leave it for 12 months means you can really target those who are looking to buy products for a very low cost. Then we have the OTO4, which is the Hypnotic reseller rights, and it's going for $67 with a downsale of $57. Here you sell Hypnotic as your own and keep 100% profit of whatever sales you make across the funnel, while the vendor caters to the support service issues and making sure that the product continues to run. Then we have the OTO5, which is the Hypnotic Mastermind. It's going for $77 with a downsale of $57. Here you'll be in the group that is coached by Dan Hashadov. And Dan Hashadov has made over 7 figures in his internet marketing business. So if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our bonus page. You scroll down, click on this button and it will take you to the Hypnotic sales page. Now you scroll down and click on this button and buy the product and gain access to the software with all of the vendors' bonuses and my bonuses. Remember, you have a 30 days money back guarantee. So you will be using this product 100% risk-free for 30 days. Take advantage of this opportunity and grow your email list. If you have found this review video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification and like this video so that when next we upload review videos like this, your attention will be drawn to it. Thank you for watching our Hypnotic review video to the end. See you in the next.